Are you crawling to get Wilbur? Go get him. There you go. One leg, the other leg, and some arms. Don't forget to move your arms. You say hi to Wilbur. Woo! Where are you going? Good job. Good job. Whoa! Right over. Get back up and try again. Charlotte, get back up and try. You see your shadow? Aw, isn't that nice? What a good boy, Wilbur. Charlotte, what are you doing? Whoop. Well, you got there, didn't ya? Mommy's gonna scoot you back, alright? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.